Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I am stepping over to the Mediterranean side and I'm gonna make tahini. So tahini is used in hummus, it's used in a lot of Mediterranean, Eastern European recipes. And I wanna make some hummus. I wanna make this broccoli pasta sauce that I saw on Instagram the other day. So I'm making tahini and it's very simple. You need sesame seeds. So get as many as you could find. I bought this and then I was like, you know what, that's not gonna be enough. So I went to Job Lots and got these sesame seeds. And then you just need olive oil, a blender, and a pot to roast the sesame seeds on. So I have some measuring cups. First, you're just gonna roast the sesame seeds on a pot. Simple as that. So I will take you to the stove and we'll get to roasting. So the pan is on medium heat and I'm gonna measure how many sesame seeds I have. I'm not exactly sure how much I'm gonna make just yet. So half a cup, 1 cup, 1.5 cups, 2 cups. Okay, so the recipe called for 4 cups, so I'm gonna half it. There's just a few left, so I'm throwing those in. This is the sesame seed, the brand. So now we want to cook them for 5 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat off. You can see a bunch of these sesame seeds have browned. They said they're not really supposed to brown, so now I wonder if I did it too high, but I think it's okay. They said they're just supposed to get like shiny, so I don't know. Kind of looks like the video. All right, back to the mixing. Back to the rest. Back to the table. I have toasted sesame seeds right here. So we are going to put them into the blender. Shit. Who knew the hardest part was gonna be getting the seeds into this? Not me. All right, here we go. See what happens. See, that's what I hate about this stupid blender. It just gets all upset when you really gotta, you know, work through the pain. All right, we're gonna put it on for a little bit longer. One more, and then we'll put some olive oil in to loosen it up a little bit. Jesus. Okay, knocked over my sign. So now you're gonna put in a tablespoon of olive oil. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons, 1 for each cup of sesame seeds that I put in. Oh, it's smoking. Ooh, that's toasty. Smells toasty. Okay, so 1, 2. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. This one I don't love, but it's all I got right now. All right, so let's hope this helps blend it. If not, we'll have to figure something out. So it's definitely getting a little smoother, but it's not quite there yet. It's supposed to be real smooth. So it's more of like a peanut butter consistency right now. A real toasty flavor, I don't know. Well, I mean, it tastes like toasted sesames. Maybe a little water? I'm gonna try a little water. Okay. I did about a tablespoon of water. I mean, it just tastes like toasted sesames. I've honestly never had tahini before, so I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. Oh well. It's just like gel. Oh shit. Can't open it now. Oh. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're just gonna put this, let's see. I don't even know if this bowl's big enough. It's peanut butter consistency. Oh, also this bowl's definitely not big enough. Okay, so the question is, do I just pour in a shit ton of olive oil to make it the right consistency? We're throwing in 1 more tablespoon of olive oil. Oh yeah, this is starting to soften up a little bit. I mean, it's not like creamy. All right, 1 more tablespoon. I wonder if I could have used my hand mixer for this. So, I mean, it's not creamy, apparently, like regular tahini, but tastes like sesame seeds. I don't know what to say. So I'm gonna try this recipe with some hummus. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you.